Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our RMP trading presentation. And I want to introduce you to our newest version 4.4, which has also a scalping function, turbo buttons. And this is the world newest CFD robot trading system you can find on the market. And please be prepared to enjoy this video. My name is Uwe Gerd Grimm and I'm in the Philippines, and I'm proud to be the marketing and support manager of this company. So don't hesitate to contact us. You have the website, but it's with an EN, yeah, the English version, but you can also switch to the English version when you visit the website rmp.trading. So we will start directly, and I'm trading since 1.5 hours here with the German stock index, the 30 cash, which we call DAX. So I'm trading here not only with one robot, I'm trading here with 3 terminals, and every terminal has 8 robots. So this is a maximized window. So when we go to the tile vertically, you will see all the 8 windows here trading, and you see when the number is red, it is still in a loss, but when it turns to white, it will go into a profit. So when we say it's okay, 67, we can take this profit with us. 47, so you will see the trade will close and there will be an active trade again at this point. Please relax. I will give you a lot of information, and when you want to know more about this system, about our strategies, about getting a free club membership of 1 month, or downloading the system and start trading immediately, then visit please the rmp.trading/en in English website, and so you will get a huge amount of information. So here we are. This is our first chart group with 8 windows, second chart group with 8 windows, third chart group with 8 windows. So in totally we are trading with 24 robots. I have a big account, so this is here for demonstration purposes. It's not a live account at the moment. Yeah, I have also a live account, but I want to show you how this trading system works. And today I want only to introduce you to our main module, which is the RMP trader, which is our robot. Our trading consists of 2 parts. The first trading is this robot trading, and when we go into an hedge, this means when we will not reach the take profit in a certain amount of tries. Yeah, we are now here in the first trade. Yeah, in the first trade, when our take profit line is far away, like here it's in 2 euros, so we are only trading with 0.1 lots, yeah, with a small lot size. This is only 1 DAX point is 10 euro cents. So it may walk 20 points to reach this line. Yeah. When this line, when we are trading completely automatically, when this line will not be reached to take profit and the trade will not close and it will go short. Then reaching this red line, there will be a second trade. We will see if we have here a second trade. No, they are all in the first. So we look to our other chart window. There we have a second trade. So what happened here? We have even a third one, yeah? It was going short, then it was going long. You see, by the short, it nearly took the take profit, but it did not reach it, and I did not look and close it manually. So it went to the second trade, and in the second trade, it only touched the blue line, and it was not going up. And now we are here in the third, and the third was also not reached, yeah? And normally we adjust this to 3. So when 3 times the take profit will not be reached, this is the adjustment here, then we go into an hedge. This means we have a certain amount of loss but not realized, and we are in a balance with the long and short positions. And for this hedge resolution, please watch the other video. I explain it there already in this channel. Please subscribe to the channel and also touch the bell so you will be informed when there are live videos also. Live trading like that one here. So this is our second part of trading, which is the hedge resolution, to resolve all the hedges. And this is our trading systems. Yeah, our 2 trading systems, our 2 strategies, how to get in a profit, how to work with this trading, to make, depending of the money, of the size of your account and of the risk what you are trading, depending of that, you can make a huge or a smaller win. And of course, when you do everything wrong, you can also lose money. Yeah, but finally counts what is after 1 month. Yeah, and normally we are calculating to make about 10% of your amount in 1 month. Yeah, every month. So when you have a capital of 10,000 euros, you will make an income about 1,000 euro a month. Yeah, this is what we are calculating. It can be more, it can be much more, it can also be less. Yeah, but it may be always in profit. Yeah, whatever you do, when you follow the right strategy here. So it's also not needed to trade with 24 chart windows. Yeah, you can also trade with more or less. Yeah, when you are beginning and when you want to learn this trading, I recommend you to start maybe only with 1 chart window. So I will begin now to show you from the scratch. Yeah, I will begin from the completely scratch. So I switch here to screen mode. So you see what I'm doing here. Here are 1, 2, my 3 chart windows, yeah, and so on. Okay, I minimize this. I let this trade completely by its own. You see we have here in the new version also turbo buttons, but they are not interest. I let trade this by its own and I wait for a breakout to long or short. So when this breakout comes, we make a huge profit. Yeah. It depends also on the news, what happened today Yeah, this on our economic calendar, you know this, no? Okay, but it's only to see. This is my time here. Yeah, my time is now 4 p.m. and I see here there will come numbers, but here from Mexico, Great Britain, this may be not so interesting. But later on, there are the news from the United States, and this will be interesting for the Dow Jones and for the Nasdaq, because we normally we are trading, you can see it here, sorry, here, we are trading DAX, Dow Jones and Nasdaq. These other things, I only use it for study purposes, but we are only trading this Nasdaq, Dow Jones and the German stock market, which is called DAX. So now let's begin from the scratch, ladies and gentlemen. So I will open here an let's say a Virgin chart window. This is one of the installation. This is also important. You need to make a lot of installation of the MetaTrader. There will be also videos and training how to install all these MetaTrader. You see, I have for every account I have about 6 to 10 MetaTrader installations. So let's start from the scratch. We open a chart window. Okay, it looks like that. Yeah. So this is an Virgin chart window of an MetaTrader. Yeah. And this chart window, we can configure how we want to have it. Yeah. Candle chart, bigger, 5 minutes. Yeah, all here the configuration. Then that it updates, so we can move it where we want, because we need this right space here for our robot, so we can see the chart and the robot. Yeah. So when I don't like the colors, I can change the colors here in properties. I can say, okay, the bar up maybe blue and the bar down maybe red. Yeah. And maybe the bull candle maybe also blue, and the bear candle maybe also red. Yeah. So now these graphs where nothing happens, we will keep them almost invisible in black. So we say okay, and look, now we have an excellent chart, and we can make it a little bit bigger. And when we have our chart what we like, with the blue long and the red short, for example, and we have also the right zoom, and our robot always use a 5-minute chart, so you don't need to decide what you use. You don't use a 5 like that, for example. Then we can save this template. Yeah, we say template, save template, and we say okay, this template we call it B red, no, blue is long and red is short. Yeah, B blue red. So now every time, let's close it, every time when we open a chart window and we look for our template, blue, red, then we have it. Here it goes. Yeah? So now, this is a chart we like. Blue is long and red is short. Okay? So now we have to go here to the navigator. When you cannot see it, press the button navigator and open expert advisors. And there you see the RMP. So you drag the RMP into this chart window. So now, depending on the market, you can make some adjustments. There is an default adjustment, which is a line spacing for the German market of 16. This is right. And we are trading with 0.1. When you don't change this, it will also trade with 0.1, because by this broker you cannot trade with 0.01. This profit percentage from equity capital is only interesting when you have the absolute profit value in 0. So when this is in 0, it will work with the percentage. Yeah, you can make 0.05, but it's not so comfortable. It's better to work here with a money value, and I put this to 2 euros. So this is the time. From now on will no trades opened anymore, and I put this to 21.30 for the German stock market. Alarm, you can put this to true, and every time when you go into a profit, you will have an alarm. So when you are trading with 24 chart windows, it's not recommended to use. Trade restart, when you, of course, we want a robot, we want that he goes on and on and on, but when you don't want it, you put it in false. And so it will only make one trade until the take profit, and then it will stop. This we will not use normally, and this is the variable, the val, which we let, this is a new feature from version 4.3. We are now in version 4.4. We have this in true, you see here about version 4.4. So when the trade goes into the profit, it will start an active trade in this direction. Here you can make a huge win of money when the market goes a long amount in the same direction. So we let this in true. The language here is German. It will go automatically in English normally. We can also put it here already in English. And this is the hedge will be triggered from end trade. We have this in 3. The hedges will be small. And the next thing is the color here. Normally it will have a gray color. But when you want to have, let's say, a dark blue color, you choose blue and you go to custom and you drag this art down, so you will have a dark blue. This is okay, yeah? Okay. And then we can save this here already, RMP. This is only this is not the templates, this is the adjustments for RMP. Yeah, you can say RMP, DAX, blue, and 2130, yeah, and next value active. So, okay, save. Okay. So now, when you do this the first time, there will pop up a window and it will ask you for an email address. Please introduce a correct email address. So I will get an email and I will take contact with you and I will ask you if you want to have a 30-day free club membership with the access to our club website, which is that one, yeah, with all the features, downloads, and so on in English, of course, also. I will finish the translations today. So there is a lot of more also with template downloads and so on. But when you introduce the email address, you can start trading immediately and test it for 5 days. Yeah. And when I will get in contact with you and you will not answer the email, after 5 days, your license will be done and there will not be any further contact to you. So now this is our setup, how we like our template. So we will save this template, save template. So these templates that they appear on the top, I call them A, yeah, RMP. The templates you can download in the club website, they are in the same name convention. DAX, it's important that you don't use this template for Dow Jones. It will work, but it has a too small line spacing, yeah? Then blue, red, EN for English, and next. This is the well. So we save this template. So when we close the window, we open the new window, chart window, and we can load this template directly. RMP next, blue, red, EN next. And you can see there is our template. So what is when we want that it starts directly when we open a chart window? What we do is we save this template to default. Default. You can delete these default templates or override them whenever you want. But now, when you start a new chart window and you open a new chart window, you will get directly and 2, 3, 4, 5, slowly please, 6, 7, wait until it's loaded, and 8. So when we have our 8 windows, where they are one over the other, you see? So we can close the market watch and we can also close the navigator. Then we go to window, tile vertically. And so here we are. Okay? Then the only thing what we have to do is to start the program. I will cut when there are 8 windows, depending of your screen resolution, there will be cut one part of the view. You know, when you make it bigger, you can see all. But I'm a customized, this is no problem. I say start. And wait until the red button appears. Start. Yeah. The robot will only work when there is coming a tick from the broker. So when you start once and it takes a longer time, there was no tick. Now there was a tick and we can start again. So what I also recommend, first scale the y-axis, sorry, and then wait maybe until the market change its position so that you have the pending orders in different positions. Yeah. You can see it here, 85 and this 86, 84. Well, there are 3 in 84. So when you want to change it, you can say close all trades here and wait until the market changes and start it again. So this is the first 2 because it's good when they're not all trading in the same position. Okay? Important. The next thing, even you haven't take profit adjusted from 2 euros, dollars, or whatever. So there will be a generator which will generate a difference of the take profit in a certain percentage, about 30% of the amount. So not higher, only lower. So the highest could be 2, and the others will be maybe 160, 170, 175, 179, 184, yeah, and so on. So don't worry for this. You will not get in the same value of your pendings or active trades anymore. So what do we have now? Now we have 8, 16, 24, 32 chart windows. So what we can do is say, oh, we are going, our take profit is maybe too far. Yeah, we drag it so it gets more nearby. We can also say, we say close program, close all trades. Yeah, I show it to you here again. I say stop the program, close all trades. So we get a new pending order, not an active trade. Yeah. These are the possibilities. Of course, when you say this take profit of 2 is too far, we make a take profit of 1. Yeah, you can do it. Or you can say I make a take profit of 0.25 cents. Yeah, everything is possible. Or you say I make a take profit of 10 euros. Yeah, so you can also play this. Everything is adjustable. Yeah, the question is, will this take profit be reached? Yes, depending on the market. Yeah, but it's not needed to put in so high take profit, because when the take profit will be reached, there will be an active trade directly in this direction. So I put 1 is not bad, 1 is good. Yeah, 1 euro by this amount of trading is a good amount. Yeah. So you can play this. You cannot do anything, only adjust it and start it, whatever you want. Yeah, depending on the internet, your account size. You can trade as much windows as you want. But I recommend you to start slow. So what is when we say, okay, when I reach the profit, I want to stop trading. So let's look where there are almost all the trades running. I say, or I press, stop trading afterwards. So when I reach the take profit, now, now, attention. You can also scale this higher, so you can, so now when we reach the take profit, normally at this moment it will close. Okay, we are going back to the, so you see they reached and then they will close here like that one. You see? When you say stop trading afterwards and you reach the take profit, maybe we will press now. I take the risk, but I wait a little bit. Will we go long? We reached already the take profit, yeah? But it did not stop. So, however, normally, it closed. It's done, yeah? It's done. It closed now. It takes a small amount of time and then it will disappear. Yeah, because we are trading with so many windows. So now we have only 4 windows left. We can tile vertically because we pressed start, or we can also say close all trades by them which are in the waiting position or not trading, and then we can close the chart and we slowly concluding this trading. This is already in the profit, but not in the take profit. We can also say close all trades, and then there will be the ND chart window. You can close it like that and close the terminal. Yeah, now we have only 1, 2, 3 terminals left. So last but not least, I want to show you the function of this turbo button. And please keep in mind, this is risky. Yeah, when I think, you know, the market is going up and down and up and down and up and down. I hope there will not be a breakout at the moment against my direction. So I wait until it goes a little bit down. Now I'm trading with 1.10 and I have already 17 plus. And now it has to go long. Then we go very quickly into and win. Or when it goes short, like here, we go into a loss. Yeah. Please keep in mind, this is risky. So you may think, okay, I press the button again. Then it gets more and more risky. Yeah. It's better to wait and be a little bit patient because the market when it's in a sideward move, normally it will go in our favor. It will make always these small long and shorts. So don't worry for that. Please keep in mind there is a security when it goes 16, exactly this point short. You will be in the balance again. There will be an, now we have one lot long and there will be one lot short. And when you close all trades, they will be gone. You can also say, okay, maybe it did not work what I did now. And when you get afraid, you can say stop the program and close all trades. But there is, and after you say release the program again, because I hope it goes in my direction. You see, like now, it was already in win. It has to go a little bit higher. So you have to be a little bit patient and not get nervous. It's also not a huge amount of money what you are trading about. It has to go a little bit longer. 72. Can we track the take profit? This has nothing to do with this take profit line now. Important is here 72. We can say, okay, it did not work in a short time. I close all trades here and I still have a win. Yeah? Here close all trades again and then here start the program again. Perfect. So I want to show you again in another chart window. Here we are almost in the win already. And our take profit here is €5.23. So what I will do, I will try to get to these €5 by pressing the one buy to reach the take profit quickly. And I can also be prepared to close the trades when it doesn't go on my favor. You see, we made already €32 plus. This is not a lot, but the market is really silent here in the euro at the moment. So now we are in 2, in 3. And we press this. There is another thing. Our take profit is about in €2. When we press here this take profit button, it jumps back to its original amount. And then we made this win. So you see, you have a lot of possibilities to do scalping here. Yeah, this is actually scalping. You can do a lot of things. I take this chart window out here. Yeah, to reduce a little bit. I traded. I was happy here. Nice trades. Here, take profit. Here we are. Huh? €1.17 and program closed. So we are reducing, but it's going really nice today. Let us have a look to the other chart windows. If we will also reduce them slowly. That one here is already done. Close all trades. Close program. What is with our blue one? Ah, yes, it's not. We have to search it. This is the second. The third is already done. There we go the blue one, which we just started. And in the same manner, when we are here in a plus, we can also say stop trading afterwards. This is the first step. Yeah. The second one, what you can do here is say, okay, the ones which are in the win, I say close. Close the window. Yeah. The other thing is you can try the button. You can say, okay, it seems to go long. Let's try. Please, this button is still not developed 100%, so, but it works. Yeah, the calculation works, but not the take profit line. Can also delete this take profit line. It's not needed. Yeah, it has nothing to do with the trading. It's only an optical line, but it's, of course, you can make adjustments here. But in this moment, and here I pressed the one. I say, okay, does it go longer or not? We wait a little bit, yeah? Meanwhile, we can take out here another trade. So to conclude everything and make our profit sure, meanwhile, we will have a look to the others. Here I press also stop trading afterwards. So when I go into the win, this will conclude. There is not much move at the moment. Yeah, you see, we are in a sidewards move. So no problem, we only have to let it go. There will come and break out for sure. We only have to wait. Here we are in the third trade because my adjustment here is 12. Okay, I have a huge account here. So no problem. You see, now we are here in the plus. So I can first, let jump down the take profit, which is here in 2 euros. Zack. Did you see? These were the two with the turbo buttons, and they just jumped into the take profit. Here I'm in 32, 32, 27. So this was the last chart we started, and now this one is resolved, and so on. So we can watch here. This was our chart we traded longest until now. I closed this one, which is in the win. So there are 5 left. So we get less and less. There is also going one into the win. Of course, we can accelerate it, yeah, but I want to watch first if it's really going long. So then we can press here in the third trade. We can also accelerate the process, but with care, carefully. Now we jump down And now I press the button. When it jumps up, there is the, don't need this take profit line. Maybe we are lucky and we will go into the win. We will see, observe. So here we have to wait until there comes a long move, and we will be out with all these trades soon. But like the market is really slowly at the moment. Here it comes. We have to wait. So, ladies and gentlemen, this was it, our introduction. I could show you everything of our wonderful way of trading. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to this channel, thumbs up. And I hope we will be a wonderful community of this kind of trading. Yours, Uwe, Gerd Grimm from the Philippines. Bye bye.